If you ask an outsider what life in Jamaica is like, they'll smile and say, vibes, beaches, music, sunshine, and yes, those things are real. But if you ask a Jamaican living on the island today, you'll hear a different tone. Because life in Jamaica right now is beautiful, but expensive. Joyful, but heavy. That contrast is what defines Jamaica today. Let's start with the cost of living. Food prices have gone up. Gas prices fluctuate. A simple trip to the supermarket is a financial battle. Chicken, rice, cooking oil, basics now make people pause. You'll hear them say, "Me hafi managed this week." It's not because people are lazy. It's because wages haven't kept up with prices. So people juggle, they stretch, they adapt. That's Jamaica's unofficial superpower. Rent is another pressure point. In Kingston and Montego Bay, prices make independence a luxury. Many young adults still live with parents, not by choice, but for survival. A modest apartment can take half a monthly salary. Yet pride doesn't disappear. People still paint their houses and plant flowers. Jamaica runs on hustle. One job is rarely enough. People work a 9-5, then sell something on the side. Weekends aren't always for rest, they're for making ends meet. And yet, Jamaicans still laugh. That's emotional intelligence. Now, about crime. Yes, it exists, but Jamaica is not one big danger zone. People learn the rhythm of safety. Where to go, when to go. Community still matters. Neighbors watch out for each other. But here's where the story shifts. Despite everything, Jamaica is still stunning. The sun still rises over the blue mountains. The sea still looks unreal. Nature is free therapy here. Even stressed people will stop and say, "Look how the sky nice today." If you're visiting, you'll notice people talk to you, laugh easily, and help without being asked. But what you experience as relaxing is someone else's normal grind. The smiling waitress may have worked since 6 a.m. The driver joking with you may be thinking about school fees. They show warmth not because life is easy, but because warmth is who they are. Tourism shows the polished side, resorts, excursions, private beaches. But real Jamaica lives outside the gates. It's in the early morning hustle, the packed buses, and the family dinners where everyone shares what little they have.